Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing the best homemade sloppy joes, y'all. And this is a classic with a delicious sauce that we're going to be making. And then we're also making sweet rolls from scratch, y'all. And this recipe will be found under the burgers and sandwich playlist. Make sure you check that out. So on the ingredients, we're going to start with the dough, and all of the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. And so we're just going to whip this up, and I'm using all-purpose flour, but you can use bread flour as well. And so first things first, when we're making dough, we're going to bloom our yeast, but we're going to add our water, butter, and milk. Popped it in a microwave, and we want it to be at exactly 100 degrees. So to the mixing bowl, we're going to add that dry yeast, a little bit of sugar to get it going, and then our melted butter water mixture. Cover that up, and it's going to start to foam, and that's when you know it's ready. So with our dough hook, we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients and mix that up. And then what I'll say is, with the dough, it depends on where your location is, the temperature of your kitchen. So gradually add your flour. You know, I'll put in the description box the measurements, but do not, you need to adjust it to make sure that your dough is sticky like so. So if you need to omit some flour, then do that. So once you have a good sticky dough, go ahead and remove it, and all we're going to do is put a little bit of flour on the surface, and then I'm just going to roll it into a ball. So because I'm using my dough hook, no knead is necessary, okay? The stand mixer will do all the work for you. And so this is going to rise for about an hour, hour and a half, depending on the temperature of your kitchen. But the warmer your kitchen, the better better results you'll get on the rise on your dough. So I'm just gonna portion these out. I don't use a scale, so I just kind of eyeball it, and what you want to try to do is get equal measurements on your dough. And then all I'm gonna do is take a square, pinch it towards the middle, and roll it into a ball, and what you want is a smooth top. Okay, and so just gonna keep doing that, and while I do, go ahead and use this opportunity to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much to those who already have. I appreciate you guys so much. And shout out to my fellow creators. Hey y'all. So we're just going to cover up those balls and let them do a second rise for about 30 to 45 minutes. And then once we're done, they will have risen again. And I always do a spray bottle on an egg wash, but you can do the brush method. Just want to get a good even shine on it. And then to the oven, we'll put those in, and y'all look at this. And I am just gonna brush it with some butter just to give it a good little extra level of flavor, and little golden brown tops will come popping out. And look how delicious those rolls are. Nothing beats a fresh roll, I'm telling y'all. Look at that, y'all. So delicious, and that pineapple juice gives it that sweet, tender, flaky dough in the middle. It is so good. And I'm gonna pop one open and let y'all see. Look at that, so good. Look at this, y'all. Look at the steam coming out of this. It's so good. So on our sloppy joes, I'm gonna do an onion. I'm using ground turkey, brown sugar, jalapenos, but you can use bell pepper. I didn't have any. And then you use yellow mustard, tomato paste, some water, chili powder, Creole seasoning, pepper, smoked paprika, and ketchup. And also I'm going to use some red wine vinegar, and then also some minced garlic. And so I'm going to just start a saute on my veggies and get that going. And y'all, this inspiration for this recipe and video came from Chantel's World. Hey girl. So I told her I would tag her in this video. When I saw her make these sloppy joes, I was like, I am doing these. And y'all, I love, and let me say this, I'm the only person in my house that loves sloppy joes, and that is fine with me because I tore these up. Hey, yes. So I'm just gonna spice up my meat, and you want to have good flavoring on that. And then again, all spices that I use and their measurements will be in the description box, but you can adjust it to however your taste is. I like a good savory and a good balance of sweet on my sloppy joes, and y'all, they came out amazing. It is so delicious. But y'all, a homemade roll, it gets no better than that. But hold on, even though it's sloppy, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up and let y'all get a bite. Look at that, y'all. Go on and take that bite, and that, ooh, that roll, y'all. So good. Hope you guys try that recipe out, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on my new video. Bye, y'all.